Morning, guys. It's December 1st, and we have exactly 21 trading days left in 2019. Today, I'm going to be going over my SoFi Invest fractional share portfolio. And since the last time that we looked at this portfolio was November 16th, so this would be, if I'm correct, the seventh update of this portfolio. When we last looked at the portfolio value was $447.68. And now, as you can see, the current portfolio value is $488.90. So let's look at the portfolio and see what we have going on here. All right, so my total contributions to this portfolio is $475. My total account gains is $13.90. My market gains are $12.67, and my dividends paid since opening this account in September are $1.23. Now, to go over this a little bit, the purpose of this fractional share portfolio is, one, I wanted to see what the returns would be by investing in fractional shares. As you guys all know, I've only been investing since January 26th of this year. So remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. If you do want to begin investing, SoFi Invest, in my opinion, is a great place to start if you are a new investor, because you can begin investing with just $1 per fractional share. And in my, I would say, opinion, it gives you the experience of finding out what the emotions are of investing in the stock market. And as you're learning what type of investor you are and what type of investing strategy you want to use, you can start with a very small amount of money. Like I said, you can invest with just $1. I mean, most of us, we know companies like Walmart, McDonald's, things like that. In those stores, we spend $1 easily. There are so many things that we can buy at McDonald's for $1. There's so many things that we can buy at Walmart for $1. But rather than spending money in those places, in those businesses, you can actually invest in a piece of those businesses as well. And you can own a piece of those businesses for just as little as $1. All right, guys. So that's just my commercial on investing. That's my commercial on SoFi Invest. If you're interested in opening a SoFi Invest account, please use my link in the description. You can open up an account with, I think, $25 if they still have that promotion going. And then I think that you will also receive some free money to invest in stocks with. However, if that promotion is not going, like I said, you can't beat the ability to invest with just $1, guys. So if you guys are looking to start investing and you're not familiar with the stock market, well, I think that this is an excellent way to start with SoFi Invest, being able to invest just $1. Okay, so looking at some of my holdings in the portfolio right now, currently, guys, another thing about being able to buy fractional shares is it allows us to invest in some of the larger growth companies where we may not have the money to spend on companies like Amazon that are currently trading at $1,800. Most people don't have $1,800 to buy one share of a stock. So with fractional shares, you're able to invest in companies like Amazon with just $1. So as you can see here, I own $12.30 in total value of Amazon. I have Boeing, Berkshire Hathaway. B shares is another growth stock. This stock does not pay a dividend, neither does Amazon. I also have Microsoft, which is a growth stock. They do pay a dividend, but they have a small dividend yield. We also have Apple, which is another growth stock. As you can see, I have $32.98. They do pay a dividend. Again, it's not a large yield. And then they do offer ETFs, like I own VOO, BND, which we're gonna go over today. And I also just started a position in Tesla here. Tesla is another growth stock, and they do not pay a dividend. I wanted to get in while the price was low. I am going to start adding money to this position here. But as you can see, the stock price has been going down, which is a good thing for those of you who want to get into Tesla. This is a good time to start getting into Tesla before the stock prices start going back up. So what I want to do now is let's look at what I did last week. So I'm going to go to view all here, and I'm going to look, like I said, my last update was November 16th. So since November 16th, let's go back one page and see what purchases I made. So on the 18th, I put $4 in Target, as you can see here, because they did have an ex-dividend date coming up. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and started adding to my position of Target. And then also on the 18th, we put $4 in Microsoft, $3 in Johnson & Johnson, and I added $1 to BND, which is a bond ETF. They do pay a monthly dividend. So I've been adding to that. And as you can see, we were paid out 4 cents from Caterpillar. They paid a dividend. And then also I added $3 to my Berkshire Hathaway B shares. I added another $3 to BND. I added $2 more to Amazon. I deposited $15 more in the account. And then on the 22nd for Constellation Brands, we received a 5 cents dividend. And Nvidia, we added that position. So I only put $1 to get that position started because Nvidia did have an ex-dividend date on 11/27. We added Netflix to the portfolio. That's also a new growth stock that I just recently added. They were down a little bit a few weeks ago, or a couple weeks ago after the earnings call. So I added Netflix to the portfolio. And then we have Nextera at $4 added. And then, like I said, I added Tesla. I only have $1 currently, but I will be adding to that position. And then we added another $25 to the portfolio. I bought $4 worth of Nvidia, another $4 in Nextera, and McDonald's. I put $5 in. Coca-Cola, I put $6 in. And then we were just recently paid a dividend of 3 cents from Starbucks. And then, as you can see today, I just put $24 in the account so that we can buy our stocks for next week that are coming up on ex-dividend date. So let's look at the companies that are coming up on ex-dividend dates next week. So for next week, the companies that we're looking to buy are McDonald's. And McDonald's has an ex-dividend date on, McDonald's just went ex-dividend on November the 11th. So I take that back. So Qualcomm, which is a stock that is, very popular in the 5G and dividend community, we're going to be adding to that position. They're coming up on ex-dividend of December 4th. So if any of you guys own Qualcomm, they're going to be going ex-dividend on December 4th. So I think I have a little buying power in this account. Let's take a look here before my funds settle. So currently, let's go here and let's see about adding Qualcomm to the portfolio. I think I do have some buying power left over. So buy. So currently I have $5 left over from last week. I'm just gonna put $1 so that I will have that position in my portfolio as of Monday, and then I will add more to that position before it goes ex-dividend on the 4th. Now, the next company that I'm going to be adding to that goes ex-dividend on the 5th is Dominion. So Dominion Energy is a utility company, and they actually will be going ex-dividend on the 5th. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the portfolio as well, because those are one of the stocks that I'm going to be adding to this week once my funds clear that I added. And as you can see, I'm only doing $1 for now. And then we also have Walmart. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure I already have Walmart in this portfolio. Go back here. Like I said, as you can see, this platform is very easy to use, guys. You know, I like it. It's pretty simple. I think that it's pretty easy for a new investor to come in and start investing. You know, guys, as always, you should do your own research. This is just me showing you guys what I'm doing is for entertainment purposes only. So currently for Walmart, I only have $2 invested in Walmart because I'm down 2 cents. So my actual value is $1.98. So Walmart is down from when I started my position. My average cost is $120.34. So I am going to simply just add $1 to Walmart for now. And again, like I say, I will be adding more to these positions once my funds clear in this account. And then next we have Bank of America that will be going ex-dividend also on the 5th. And I'm pretty sure you guys all know what Bank of America is. It's a bank. It's probably one of the largest banks. I used to bank with Bank of America a while back, but I was a part of that era when they said Bank of America was charging their customers additional fees. And actually, I did get some money back from that lawsuit. I got like $52 back in the mail from that lawsuit. And currently, I bank with Chase. I've never paid any fees with Chase, but also I'm in a different position. I'm a little bit more responsibility. I'm more better off financially than I was when I was with Bank of America. So things are different in my life now that I'm with Chase than from when I was with Bank of America. But anywho, I'm gonna just go ahead and add $1 to Bank of America for now. As you can see, Bank of America's current price is $33.42. And I don't have any position in Bank of America yet. And then since we have $1 left, my other position that I'm going to add to today is going to be BND. So as I was telling you guys, BND is a ETF. It's a bond ETF, and it pays dividends every single month. So if you guys are looking for a monthly addition to your portfolio, you can do your research on Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, ticker symbol BND, and the current price is $84.29. It does pay a monthly dividend. I currently have $31.02 in equity for this particular company. My average cost is actually $84.22. So I'm going to take that last dollar that I have and I'm going to put that in BND, guys. And for those of you who are not familiar with fractional share investing, most of the time, depending on which platform that you use, they usually only make purchases once a day. I know with M1 Finance, they buy your shares once a day. With SoFi Invest, they usually buy the shares of stock around 315 to 340 in that window. So between 315 to 340 is when they usually make the purchases for fractional share investors. So that's just something to keep in mind, that if you decide to use SoFi Invest, make sure that if you're planning on making purchases, that you get those purchases in before 315, because usually that's when they make the purchases. So real quick, I just want to look at some of my top holdings and some of my worst holdings. So as you can see here, I am still down on IIPR, and this is my only position in the MJ sector. And as you can see here, my current price is $92.95. I have $23.33 of equity in this company. Currently, I am down $4.67, and it is currently trading at $77.41. So as you can see, my price and the price that it's actually trading at is greatly different. And then the next one that it looks like I'm down on is McDonald's. And like I said, McDonald's just went ex-dividend on the 27th. So if you guys own shares of McDonald's, you will be getting a dividend payment soon. And my average cost is $207.58, and it's currently going for $194.54. My total value is $17.80, and I am down $1.20 on this particular position. So not too bad, but these positions are what's holding me back from having a bigger return in this particular portfolio. And then we also have, the other ones are pretty small. Like we have Cisco. The market price is $45.31. I am at an average cost of $47.66, and I'm only down 59 cents, so not too bad on that particular position. And then I think the only other position that I am down enough worth talking about is going to be Constellation Brands. And Constellation Brands is currently trading at $186.06. My average cost is $193.31, and I am only down 48 cents. So not too bad. And then real quick, let's look at the positions that I am up on. So currently, I am up big on Apple still for this particular portfolio. Apple's market cost is $267.25. My average cost is $226.90. So I am up $4.98 for a total value of $32.98 in Apple. So I think that is my biggest gain in this portfolio is Apple. And then let's see what else we have in this particular portfolio. So right here we have VU, which is an ETF. It's the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. The current market value of this particular ETF is $288.65. As you can see, my average cost is $275.05. I am up $1.74 for a total market value of $36.74 for this particular ETF. And they should be coming up soon on ex-dividend this month, but they have not declared their dividend yet. So when they do, I will let you guys know. And if I keep scrolling down here, I saw JP Morgan Chase, which is the bank that I currently bank with. Their market price is $131.76. I am at an average cost of $115.83 for a total market value of $18.21 in this particular position. And then let's see, the fourth and final stock that I am up on the most would be either MasterCard, but I think I saw one that was a little better. Yes, 3M. So a lot of people have been, kind of bearish about 3M right now because they haven't been doing so good lately. But I still like 3M as a company. I think 3M has been around for a long time. They are a dividend king. I don't think that they're going anywhere. I think that people will still use 3M no matter what, unless we have some major recession. I don't think that we have anything to worry about when it comes to 3M. But as you can see, my total value is $29.31. My average cost is $162.24. I am up $1.31, and currently right now 3M is at $169.77. So that is pretty much it for the portfolio this week. Again, guys, what I am doing with this particular portfolio is I'm pretty much just making myself a passive income portfolio with this portfolio. This is my first time investing in fractional shares. I am pretty much, if you want to look at it, building my own ETF with this portfolio. I am investing in stocks that have been paying a dividend and increasing that dividend for at least 5 years. I am basically building this portfolio based on the ex-dividend date of these stocks. I am using the staggered dividend investment strategy because I want to have income coming into this portfolio each and every month. And once I get my core positions established, and I really don't have a set number of stocks that I'm going to hold in this particular portfolio because, again, it is fractional shares. But what I do want to do with this portfolio is, like I say, I want to create some passive income. I want to own some growth stocks. I want to own some good dividend stocks that pay dividends, and I want to have some dividend income coming in every single month into this portfolio. So you guys just keep, showing up here with me on my investing journey. As I said, we only have 21 days left to trade in the year 2019. I hope you guys are getting your investment goals and your portfolio goals and your financial goals ready for 2020 because we are almost there. I hope everyone had an awesome holiday and spent amazing time with their families and ate some delicious food. And if you guys are not yet, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification. And also, if you guys have any questions about what I said here today, my portfolio or SoFi invest or SoFi money, please leave a comment below. And also, there are many, many links in the description for some of the other companies that I've done reviews on and companies that I use. So feel free to check those out and use those links as well. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Again, I am Marie Brown. This is my channel, Minds in Motion, where we talk about personal finances, investing, and always how to become the best version of yourself. Thank you.